DirectFix.com presents the iPhone 7 broken screen replacement done in 4 minutes. Warning, please pause this video and read the entire warning before proceeding with these repairs. Please be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave any comments or suggestions in the comment box below. After you've shut down the phone, please using a pentalobe screwdriver, remove the 2 pentalobe screws on the bottom of the iPhone. Attach a suction cup tool to the lower half of the display assembly just above the home button. Be sure the suction cup does not overlap with the home button, as this will prevent a seal from forming. When the suction cup has created a small gap, insert the plastic pry tool between the gap. Slide the pry tool to the left along the lower edge of the iPhone. You're going to need to loosen all the watertight seal before you can remove the screen. Now go ahead and remove the suction cup tool. Pull the display edge slightly away from the top to disengage the clip and carefully open. Now remove the 4 tri-point screws. One of them is longer, it's the one in orange. Please keep track of it. Now with the tri-tip screws removed, you can use some tweezers and remove the cover plate that covers the screen connectors. Remove the 2 Phillips screws holding the metal bracket over the front panel sensor assembly. Now with the screws out of the way, you can remove the metal bracket. You are now going to remove, by popping up, 2 of the 3 connectors that hold the screen in place. Now remove the final screen connector by lifting up. You can now remove the screen assembly. You're now going to pause the video and remove the following parts to move over to the new screen assembly. Please keep track of the different screws as they're different sizes and different lengths. With all the new parts on the screen, you're now going to start by reconnecting the top screen connector or pushing it down into the socket connector. Now you're going to push down the 2 other connectors to reconnect the screen. The lower one goes first, then the upper one over the top. You're now going to reinstall the upper metal bracket with the 2 Phillips screws. Line up the metal bracket and start installing the Phillips screws. There's 2 of them. Please don't forget, while installing the 4 tri-Y-tipped screws, the one in orange is the longer one. You're now going to carefully bring the screen down. Remember, at the top near the earpiece, there's a clip that needs to slide in before you're able to make a seal all the way around the phone. Now go ahead and reinstall the 2 pentalobe screws at the bottom once you've sealed the screen all the way. With the last pentalobe screw installed, you can now go ahead and restart the phone and start using it. You've now replaced the screen on the iPhone 7. Thank you for watching our video. Please be sure to watch some of our other videos, subscribe to our channel, and buy parts from our website.